What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be making a cartoon drawing of the wonderful artist Frida Kahlo. So come along with me as I show you step by step how to draw Big Frida. Frida Kahlo, that is. First, we're going to draw like a really long M for her hairline. Then from there, we're going to draw 2 straight lines down on each side for the size of her head. Then we're going to make like a really wide U for her jawline. Next, we're going to draw 5 big circles at the top to show flowers. Inside of each circle, do a little swirly-dirly, which is basically like a spiral or like a letter G that keeps on going. After we finish up our flowers, we're going to draw 2 little lumps on the side of her head to show her ears, and then we can draw her braids by making 3 big lumps on each side of the head. She also has flower petals at the top that we're going to just make little hills to show the leaves for the roses. She also has a part in her hair, so we can just make like a little triangle without the bottom. For her eyes, we're going to make 2 little hills and then give her some eyelashes. And of course, we can't forget Frida's most iconic feature, that unibrow. Yes, Frida Kahlo had a unibrow, and she was very proud of it and wore it all the time. She never shaved it. I decided to color mine in with a black marker. Next, we're going to draw her nose. Then we can give her a nice smile and like a lowercase m to show her top lip. Then we're going to draw 2 lines on the side to show her neck. And we're going to do some circles going all the way across for a necklace. Where the circles meet her neck, we're just going to draw 2 lines that are diagonal off the edges of her paper to show her t-shirt and then her t-shirt line. Finally, we get to color our awesome drawing. Frida is like a light brown color, but unfortunately I didn't have a light brown marker, so I just used like a peach brownish color pencil for her skin tone. Then I decided to color all her flowers red. What color are you going to make her flowers? Blue, orange, purple, yellow? It's up to you. I really like the color red, so I made them red. After coloring the flowers, I decided to make all our hills from earlier or our leaves all green. What color are you going to make your leaves? Are they going to be extra flower petals? Or are you going to color them green as well? It's up to you. Make your picture look as beautiful and colorful as you like. Then I color her lips all red as well. Then I decided to add some details to her hair just by drawing lines to show that it's hair and not just some weird lumps on the back of her head. Next, we can make some lines going straight back that kind of match her part so we can show that she has hair on top as well. Then I went ahead and grabbed a black colored pencil, not a marker, because if I used the marker, it would just color over all of the lines we just created for her hair. So instead, I used the colored pencil to show that her hair is black, but I was able to keep my detail because I didn't use a marker. Maybe you'll use a crayon or a colored pencil as well instead of a marker to color in her hair. It's up to you, friends. And finally, I used a navy blue marker to color her shirt. What color are you going to make her shirt? Remember, this is your drawing, so you should make it as beautiful and as colorful as you want. Now you can show off your awesome Frida Kahlo drawing to all of your friends and family. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again. Bye-bye.